Welcome to the best pick. The best Watchmakers Lathe is probably one of the most essential and versatile tools for any serious horologist or hobbyist watchmaker, allowing for incredibly precise work on tiny components like gears, pivots, and casings, making it indispensable for repairs, modifications, and even the creation of custom watch parts, ultimately elevating the quality and professionalism of your intricate timekeeping projects. Number 5. Jet 12x21 Variable Speed Woodworking Lathe. Introducing the Jet 12x21 Variable Speed Woodworking Lathe. It offers incredible versatility for all your woodworking projects. Easily select from 3 optimal speed ranges, 60 to 900, 110 to 1800, or 220 to 3600 revolutions per minute. This allows for precise control over your work. Experience the convenience of its innovative, patent-pending ratchet-style belt tension system. Adjusting the belt has never been easier. The redesigned controls are more user-friendly than ever, featuring a larger gyro and a recessed power switch for safety and ease of use. Transitioning between forward and reverse operations is a smooth and seamless process. This enhances your workflow and efficiency. It includes an integrated, spring-loaded spindle lock for quick changes and 24 integrated indexing positions for detailed work. The tailstock is built with an Acme thread for durability and reliable performance. This ensures it can handle demanding tasks. What we like. This lathe offers exceptional versatility with its multiple speed ranges, allowing for fine-tuning to any project. The innovative belt tension system ensures consistent power transfer and longevity. If you're looking for a robust machine that can handle a wide variety of woodworking tasks, from rough turning to detailed finishing, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Variable speed on the fly is very convenient. The speed changeover for belting up and down is a godsend. Simply press, lift, change, and press again. The variable speed is awesome and the LED indicator seems to be accurate. Number 4. Proxxon DB250 Micro Woodturning Lathe. Introducing the Proxxon DB250 Micro. This compact woodturning lathe is designed for precision work. Its spindle runs in a ball-bearing assembly, featuring a through-going bore. This allows for the serial production of small parts with the use of collets. The stable tool rest is adjustable in height and can turn a full 360 degrees. This offers flexibility for various turning operations. For larger work pieces, a faceplate is included. This expands the versatility of the machine. Enjoy a quiet operation thanks to its motor, designed for a long lifetime. It provides reliable performance for all your projects. The bed is constructed from a sturdy aluminum profile. This ensures stability and durability during use. What we like. Designed for precision and serial production, this micro lathe excels at creating small, intricate parts. Its ball-bearing assembly ensures smooth operation and accuracy, while the stable, adjustable tool rest provides excellent support. If you specialize in miniature work or need to produce multiple identical small components, this is the tool for you. What people say. Plenty of torque for my purposes, good adjustability and speed range, and not too loud. It's powerful and consistent. We were immediately impressed with how quiet and fast the lathe is. It works beautifully. Number 3. Proxxon Precision Lathe FD150E. Experience a new level of precision with this tool. Its quiet, vibration-free operation ensures comfortable and fatigue-free use, even during extended projects. Don't let its lightweight and slim design fool you. This tool delivers exceptional performance without any compromise, making it a reliable partner for your tasks. Crafted with high-quality precision in mind, this tool is built to last. It offers the accuracy you need for detailed and demanding work. Designed for your comfort, it operates smoothly and quietly. This allows you to work for longer periods without feeling tired. Despite its compact size, it provides robust performance. You can rely on it to handle your projects with efficiency and power. This precision tool combines advanced engineering with user-friendly design. It's the perfect choice for professionals and hobbyists alike seeking quality and reliability. What we like. Experience fatigue-free operation with this precision lathe, engineered for quiet and vibration-free performance. Its lightweight and slim profile make it ideal for smaller workshops or for users who value a comfortable working experience. If you prioritize accuracy and a smooth, quiet operation for detailed projects, this model delivers exceptional results. What people say. It's solid as a rock so far. It was easy to assemble the dial handles and live center. I looked for 2 solid months evaluating lathes and frankly decided to go with this one because it was made in Germany. I also needed a small lathe and this one fits just about anywhere. I have never owned or operated a lathe before, but this made it very easy to punch a hole with precision in such a small diameter bar. This machine is a great tool. It is lightweight but stable on my workbench. It has nice balance and the speed control is smooth. The 3-jaw chuck works fine. I bought a 6mm tool carbide tool set and it fits the tool holder like a glove. The carbide has no problem even with hard steel. The engineering is impressive and everything functions properly and smoothly. It runs quietly and smoothly. The accessories are readily available through the Proxxon website. Number 2. The Watchmakers Lathe. Introducing the Watchmakers Lathe, a tool designed for unparalleled precision. Experience the difference that meticulous craftsmanship makes in your work. This lathe is specifically engineered for the intricate demands of watchmaking. Its robust design ensures stability and accuracy for even the finest components. Achieve microscopic accuracy with every operation. Its finely tuned controls allow for delicate adjustments, essential for restoring and creating timepieces. Built to last, this lathe is constructed with high-quality materials for enduring performance. Rely on it for consistent results project after project. Take your horological skills to the next level. This essential tool empowers you to achieve professional-grade results with confidence and ease. What we like. This is the specialized tool for the meticulous craft of watchmaking. Its design focuses on the extreme precision and fine detail required for intricate horological work. If you are a watchmaker or a hobbyist dedicated to repairing or creating timepieces, this lathe offers the specialized capabilities you need. What people say. This is an excellent text on the origins and function of the lathe in general and the Watchmakers Lathe in particular. It gives you a great detailed history of how the modern lathe came about and goes in depth greatly on techniques, making of tooling and dogs, along with tons of other info. Anyone just starting out in watch or clockmaking should have this book on their shelf. Number 1. Proxxon PD250E Metal Lathe. Introducing the Proxxon PD250E, experience quiet, precise, and vibration-free operation for fatigue-free use. Its low weight and slim design do not compromise on performance. This tool is built for efficiency. Equipped with high-quality precision tools, it ensures accuracy in every task. Achieve professional results with ease. Benefit from the convenience of automatic feed. This feature enhances productivity and simplifies your workflow. The Proxxon PD250E is engineered for professionals who demand precision and reliability. Get the job done right. What we like. For those working with metal, this precision lathe offers the advantage of automatic feed, significantly enhancing efficiency and consistency. Its robust construction and high-quality precision tools are built for the demands of metal turning. If you need to produce accurate metal components and value automated processes for repeatability, this is the ideal machine. What people say. The Watchmakers Lathe is a precision instrument designed for intricate watch repair and manufacturing. It features a robust cast iron base for stability and reduced vibration during operation. The headstock includes a high-precision spindle with adjustable bearings, ensuring smooth and accurate rotation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.